students, welcome to today's maths class, and today we'll do exponent and powers. Our learning objectives are power of rational number with positive integer as exponent, laws of exponent for the rational number with a positive integer as exponent, power with negative exponent, laws of exponent for the integer with any integer as the exponent, laws of exponent for the rational numbers with any integer as exponent, use of exponent for the express small numbers, standard form. So we have already learned about the exponent in the class 7th. In this chapter, we shall learn some more rules of the exponents and negative exponent. Let us revise all the previous concept in the brief. A multiplied by a n time, that is equals to a is to power n. It is read as a raised to the power n, where a is base and n is exponent. A यहाँ पे हो जाएगा base और n हो जाएगा exponent. For example, 4 by 7 multiplied by 4 by 7 4 times. So we'll write it as 4 by 7 is to power 4. Here 4 by 7 is the base and 4 is the exponent. Clear? Next is power of rational number with a positive integer as exponent. Exponential notation can also be used for writing the product of a rational number by itself several times. Here a rational number is the base and the positive integer are exponent. 3 by 5 is to power 4, that can be written as 3 by 5 multiplied by 3 by 5 4 times. Like this we can write. Here 4 is the exponent and base is 3 by 5. Clear? We also know that minus 1 and odd natural number, so that is equals to, अगर minus 1 की power odd natural number है, so that is equals to minus 1. Minus 1 is to power or exponent even natural number, so that is equals to positive 1. Natural number means positive integer. Minus 3 by 5 is to power 3, that can be written as minus 3 by 5 multiplied by minus 3 by 5 3 times, that is equals to minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3, that is minus 27 upon 5 into 5 into 5, 125. Clear? We can also write minus 1 as minus 1 is to power 1, minus 1 is to power 3, minus 1 is to power 5 or minus 1 is to power 7, means odd natural number. जो exponent होगा वो odd होगा. Here we'll take an example. Show that minus 3 upon 4 is to power 5. So minus 3 is to power 5 upon 4 is to power 5. So minus 3 multiplied by minus 3 5 times, that is equals to minus 243, and 4 multiplied by 4 5 times, that is equals to 1024. So here the solution is given. What we have done, minus 3 upon 4 is to power 5, so we have multiplied minus 3 by minus 3 5 times, and upon में हो जाएगा 4 multiplied by 4 5 times. So that is equals to minus 243 upon 1024. Clear? Next is know it. Thus, if p by q is any rational number and m is an positive integer, then p upon q is to power m, that is equals to p is to power m upon q is to power m. Clear? Next, we will take an example here. Express minus 1 upon 125 in power notation. So we have to express this in the form of power notation. So what we'll do? We'll do the prime factorization of 125. That is equals to 5 into 5 into 5, means 5 is to power 3. So we can write it as minus 1 upon 5 is to power 3, or we can also write it as minus 1 is to power 3, that is equals to minus 1, and 5 is to power 3, and we can also write minus 1 upon 5 whole power 3. As the denominator 125, the third power of 5, we can also write numerator minus 1 also as third power of minus 1. Minus 1 is to power 3, that is equals to minus 1. Reciprocal. We denote the reciprocal of a rational number p by q as 1 divided by p by q, that is equals to 1 into reciprocal of p by q, that is q by p, that is equals to q by p, where p is not equals to 0 and q is also not equals to 0. Similarly, the reciprocal of p upon q is to power m, that is equals to q is to power m upon p is to power m, or we can also write it as q upon p is to whole power m. Again, we will take an example here. Find the reciprocal of minus 2 is to power 4. So we have to find its reciprocal. Minus 2 is to power 4. So reciprocal हो जाएगा 1 upon minus 2 is to power 4, and we can also write it as minus 1 upon 2 is to power 4. Clear? Next is loss of exponent for the rational number with the positive integer as exponent. Illustration: minus 3 upon 5 is to power 2 multiplied by minus 3 upon 5 is to power 3. Here base is same, minus 3 upon 5. Clear? So we can write it minus 3 upon 5 multiplied by minus 3 upon 5 and 3 times again आ जाएगा, because यहाँ 2 है, यहाँ पे 3 है. So we can write it where base is same, so we'll add the power. So 2 plus 3, that is equals to minus 3 upon 5 is to power 5. So log 1, x is to power m into x is to power n, that is equals to x is to power m plus n, where x is the non-zero rational number and m and n are positive integer. So minus 3 upon 5 is to power 5 divided by minus 3 upon 5 is to power 3. So what we'll do here, minus 3 upon 5 will multiply by minus 3 upon 5, 5 times हो जाएगा, and divide में है तो वो क्या आ जाएगा, नीचे आ जाएगा, minus 3 upon 5 into minus 3 upon 5 into minus 3 upon 5 denominator में. Clear? So that is equals to minus 3 upon 5 is to power 2, or simply what we'll do, division में हम क्या करेंगे, if base is same we'll subtract the power, so that is equals to minus 3 upon 5 is to power 5 minus 3, that is minus 3 upon 5 is to power 2. Clear? Law 2, x is to power m divided by x is to power n, that is equals to x is to power m minus n, where x is a non-zero rational number and m and n are the positive integer, where m is greater than n. Here minus 3 upon 5 is to power 3 divided by minus 3 upon 5 is to power 5. So we will write it like this, and ये हो जाएगा 1 upon minus 3 upon 5 is to power 2. यहाँ पे डिनोमिनेटर में पावर ग्रेटर है, so we'll take it down, because if this is m and this is n, here n is greater than m, so हम क्या करेंगे, नीचे ले जाएंगे 5 minus 3. So according to that, law 3, x is to power m divided by x is to power n, that is equals to 1 upon x is to power n minus m, where x is a non-zero rational number and m and n are positive integer and n is greater than m. Clear? Next is minus 3 upon 5 is to power 3 and whole power 4. So यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा, powers multiply हो जाएंगी. We can write it like this, minus 3 upon 5 is to power 3 plus 3 plus 3, or simply will multiply the power. So minus 3 upon 5 is to power 4 into 3, that is 12. Clear? Law 4, x is to power m multiplied by n or whole power n divided by x is to power mn. So क्या हो जाएगी, x की पावर हो जाएगी m n, where x is a non-zero rational number and m and n are positive integer. Clear? Minus 3 upon 5 is to power 5 divided by minus 3 upon 5 is to power 5. So that is equals to minus 3 upon 5 is to power 5 minus 5. So that is 0 हो जाएगी, minus 3 upon 5 की power 0. So that is equals to 1. So we can write minus 3 is to power 0 upon 5 is to power 0. So किसी की power 0 होगी, that means value is 1. So 1 upon 1, that is equals to 1. So law 5, x is to power 0, that is 1, equals to 1, where x is a non-zero rational number. 6 upon 7 is to power 3 multiplied by 8 upon 9 is to power 3. So we can write it like this, और simply हम group बना सकते हैं, because power same है, base is changed. So product होगा that is equals to the product of the rational number and उनकी whole power जो भी होगी वो आ जाएगी. So we can write it as 6/7 into 8/9. Product and power हो जाएगी 3. So log 6 x is to power m multiplied by y is to power m. So that is equals to x y is to power whole power m, where x and y are any two rational number and m is a positive integer. Next is exercise 2.1. Expand the following. 5 is to power 3. 5 is to power 3. We can write it as 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. So that is equals to 125. Clear? Practice all the questions of this exercise. Next is power with negative exponent. We know that 10 is to power 2, that is equals to 10 into 10, that is 100. 10 is to power 1, that means 10. 100 upon 10, that is equals to 10. 10 is to power 0, that means 1. 10 upon 10. 10 is to power minus 1. What is that? So following the above pattern we get 10 is to power minus 1, negative power है, so we'll take it down, means denominator में ले जाएंगे 1 upon 10. 10 is to power minus 2, so we'll write it as 1 upon 10 divided by 10. 1 upon 10 into 10, because 10 is to power 2. नीचे आएगी तो power क्या बन जाएगी? Positive. So 1 upon 100, or we can write 1 upon 10 is to power 2. Same. 10 is to power minus 3 can be written as 1 upon 1000 or 1 upon 10 is to power 3. Whenever exponent of power is negative, we will take it down, denominator में ले जाएंगे and it become positive. We can repeat the same pattern with the base 3. 3 is to power 3. We can write it as 27. 3 is to power 2. 3 into 3, that is 9. 3 is to power 1, that is 3. 3 is to power 0, that is 1. So following the above pattern we get 3 is to power minus 1, that is equals to 1 upon 3. 3 is to power minus 2, that is equals to 1 upon 9. Like this the pattern will follow. So 10 is to power minus 2 and 10 is to power 2 are the multiplicative inverse of each other. 10 is to power minus 2, that can be written as 1 upon 10 is to power 2. And 10 is to power 2, that can be written as 1 upon 10 is to power minus 2. In general, a is to power minus m hai, we can write it as 1 upon a is to power m. Here the exponent of power become positive, where a is any non-zero integer and m is positive integer. Expansion of the number using exponent. We learned in previous class how to write the number in expanded form using the exponent. 3647 can be expanded as 3000 की पोजीशन पे, so 3 into 1000, or we can write 3 into 10 is to power 3 plus 6 into 10 is to power 2 plus 4 into 10 is to power 1 and 7 into 10 is to power 0. Clear? And we can express 3647.985 in expanded form in the similar way. So we can write it as 3 into 1000 plus 6 into 100 plus 4 into 10 plus 7 into 1. Then after decimal, first place 10 का होगा, so we'll write it as 9 by 10, 8 by 100, 5 by 1000. Or we can also write it as 3 into 10 is to power 3, 6 into 10 is to power 2 plus 4 into 10 is to power 1 and 7 into 10 is to power 0 plus 9 into 10 is to power minus 1, 8 into 10 is to power minus 2 and plus 5 into 10 is to power minus 3. Clear? Next is loss of exponent for integer with any integer as exponent. 2 is to power minus 4 multiplied by 2 is to power minus 3. So we can write it as positive बनाएंगे. So we will write it as 1 upon 2 is to power 4 multiplied by 1 upon 2 is to power 3. Now we can write it as 1 upon 2 is to power 4 multiplied by 2 is to power 3. Base is same, so we'll add the power. So we can write it as 1 upon 2 is to power 4 plus 3, that is 7. Again ऊपर ले जाएंगे तो क्या हो जाएगा? 2 is to power minus 7. Clear? So in general, a is to power m into a is to power n, that is equals to a is to power m plus n, where a is a non-zero integer है, m and n are integer. Similarly, we can verify the following laws of exponent where a and b are non-zero integer and m and n are any integer. A is to power m divided by a is to power n, that is equals to a is to power m minus n. A is to power m into b is to power m, we can write it as ab whole power m. A is to power m n, so that is written as a is to power m n. A is to power m upon b is to power m, we can write it as a upon b is to whole power m. A is to power 0, that is equals to 1. Next is loss of exponent for the rational number with any integer as exponent. We can verify following laws of exponent of the rational number with any integer as exponent as we have verified for integer with any integer exponent. If x and y are any non-zero rational number and m and n are any integer, then x is to power m multiply x is to power n, that is equals to x is to power m plus n, x to power m and whole power n, that is x is to power m n, x to power m divided by x to power n, that is equals to x is to power m minus n, and x into y is to power m can be written as x is to power m multiplied by y is to power m. Now, we will take an example. Simplify. 5 upon 8 is to power minus 7 multiplied by 8 upon 5 is to power minus 5. So, 5 upon 8 is to power minus 7 multiplied by 8 upon 5 is to power minus 5. So, we can write it like this. 5 is to power minus 7 upon 8 it is power minus 7. Again 8 is to power minus 5 upon 5 is to power minus 5. So, that is equals to 5 is to power minus 7 into 8 is to power minus 5 upon 5 is to power minus 5 and 8 is to power minus 7. So, here 5 is to power minus 7 and that is equals to minus 5 into 8 is to power minus 5 and minus 7, because ये ऊपर आएगी तो क्या हो जाएगी, पॉजिटिव हो जाएगी. So, simply we can write it as 5 is to power minus 2 into 8 is to power 2, that is 8 is to power 2, नेगेटिव पावर नीचे चली जाएगी, 5 is to power 2, that is 64 upon 25. Next, some more examples are given here, you have to practice them. Next is exercise 2.2. Find the value of minus 3 whole power minus 4. So, minus 3 whole power minus 4. So, we can write it as 1 upon minus 3 is to power 4. So, that is equals to 1 upon minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3. So, we can write it as minus minus plus हो जाएगा, minus minus plus 4 टाइम है 9 into 9. So, that is equals to 1 upon 81. So, that is the value. Clear? So, practice all the questions of this exercise. Next is standard form and scientific notation of very large and very small numbers. A number is said to be the scientific notation if it is expressed as the product of the number between 1 and 10 and the integral power of 10 to express very large number in standard form. If a number has n digit and move the decimal point n minus 1 place to the left and the balance multiply by 10 is to power n minus 1. For example, the mass of the earth in usual form is written in kg with the 25 digit. So, this is the mass of the earth. So, you can see it is a very large number. So, we see no decimal point in it. So, it is after the rightmost digit. We move decimal point 25 minus 1, that is 24 place to the left. That is between 5 and 9 and the balance multiply 10 is to power 24. So, we will move the decimal like after decimal there should be only one digit. So we can write it as, हम decimal कहाँ पे लगाएंगे, यहाँ पे 5.97, and how many places we are moving, 24 places. So we'll multiply by 10 to the power 24. Clear? Next, to express very small number in standard form, we move decimal point to the right of as many places, say n, as to reach the cross of non-zero digit, and to balance multiply 10 to the power minus n. For example, the size of the plant cell that is given here. So here we will write it as 1.275, and how many decimal places we have moved? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we will write 10 is to the power minus 5. Clear? We move the decimal point to the right 5 places and reached after 1, the first non-zero digit. So we multiply by 10 to the power minus 5 to maintain the equality. Know it. While writing the large number in standard form, the exponent is always positive. While writing the smaller number in standard form, the exponent is always negative. Next example. The diameter of sun is 1.4 into 10 to the power 9 meter, and the diameter of earth is 1.2756 into 10 to the power 7 meter. Show that the diameter of sun is nearly 100 times the diameter of the earth. So we have diameter of sun upon diameter of earth. So we'll put the values 1.4 into 10 to the power 9 upon 1.2756 into 10 to the power 7. Clear? So इसको solve करेंगे हम. So that is equals to 14,000 upon this into 100. So diameter of sun, that is 100 of diameter of earth. That was the diameter of earth. So you can see the diameter of sun, that is 100 of diameter of earth. Clear? Next is exercise 2.3. Express the following statement in scientific notation form. First is average radius of the sun is given here. So we have to write it in scientific notation. So we'll write 6.95 into 10 to the power, how many places we have, move the decimal on the left, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 10 to the power 5 meter. Clear? Practice all the questions of this exercise. Next is summary. For any non-zero integer a and b where m and n are whole number, a is to the power m multiply a is to the power n, that is a is to the power m plus n. A is to the power m divided by a is to the power n, that we will write as a is to the power m minus n, where m is greater than n. A is to the power m whole power n, that will be written as a is to the power mn. A is to the power m multiplied by b is to the power m, that is equals to ab whole power m. A is to the power m divided by b is to the power n, that is written as a is to the power m upon b is to the power m equals to a upon b whole power m. A is to the power 0, that is 1. Number in standard form. A number written as m into 10 to the power n is said to be the standard form if m is a decimal number such that m is greater than or equal to 0 and less than or equal to 10. And n is either a positive or a negative integer. Clear? So here we end the chapter. I hope you understand it well. Now you have to practice it.